Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on Messenger app, we click on settings. In the first page, here you can find apps and you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.